Well, observations and opinions are totally different, right? So my opinion, without getting political, I always believe every day, I think we're a little bit further and a little better than we were the day before. Just the fact of who I am and what I am, and the fact that I'm here. I got appointed to the bench in 2016, the first African American judge here ever in this county, and to a certain point, you say that's amazing. Then it's almost a shame that it took that long, but the fact that it's here and that I did it makes me feel as though we're getting further. Then when I ran, then I had an election just last year. And the fact that there were options that were not me and did not look like me, but the fact that people selected me lets me know that beyond just a governor being further, I look at a county that is, as I said, 6-7% African American, that says, okay, we're now in a position where we're going to elect this person. So this county at least is moving further ahead, and for a county that maybe was behind enough that I was the first one, if we're moving further, then I know the rest of the country is moving further, the rest of the state. We had a meeting with the African American judges back at one of our judicial conferences, and there was a comment when we took a picture that there were so many more judges there than there were maybe a year or two prior. So yeah, so just with opportunities, I believe I see it getting better. But I feel as though through what's going on the bench, I think we're doling out equal justice, which was a great thing to have me here to make sure, but I feel as though the other members of the bench who don't necessarily look like me don't discriminate. We get along great, and I feel as though there's equal justice for all colors, all races, all genders, every walk of life. So I think about it and I see a lack of hunger. I see complacency. I see satisfaction. The problem with being satisfied is you don't want anything more. When we rewind back, I guess going back to one of your original questions, going back to kind of civil rights times, we have people who are standing for something and aren't satisfied with the conditions as they are. So when you're not satisfied with things as they are, you're going to do something to change it. So many of the young people today are satisfied, and they're satisfied with conditions that they probably shouldn't be satisfied with because they have so many opportunities. When I see people squandering the opportunities that they have, I do look at them and say, look, that's why I say, look at me. I've done this. I'm here. You've not seen anyone who looks like me do this here in this county or limited on this shore. So I try my best to show for my achievements to be something for them to look forward to. I think a lot of where we're going now with what we can do to raise awareness to these, especially young people, because it really bothers me when someone is satisfied in their situation, yet there is so much more that they can achieve, and that's